my name is Lisette and this video is about Boxycharm. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for the month of February. So you always get 5 items. This is the basic membership for Boxycharm. I used to get an insert card such as this one. This is an old one, but something like this. Now there's emailing us an e-card, so it looks something like this. Something like this. So I will insert this on the side here so you guys can see. The theme is Boxy, a door. So let's begin with the first item from Boxy Beauty. This is their complete sponge set. So it provides a full array of applications. Each sponge is built with different densities, water retention rates, and shapes. So yeah, I'm excited to be using these sponges for my makeup. For the next item, I got this. This is the QMS Medi Cosmetics Intensive Eye Care. So the active ingredient complex of this enhanced eye cream helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while hydrating and lifting the skin. So this is an eye cream. It does feel super hydrating, so that's nice. The next item is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. This is a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Okay, the next item on the box is this really cute packaging. This is the Seattle London Everyday Bakey. This is a coconut setting powder. Let's open it up. It looks like any other setting powder. Alright, last but not least, I got another skincare item here. This is the Evian Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. They are biodegradable, multitasking Evian Skin and Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. You know what? I'm gonna remove this makeup with one of the wipes. I just filmed this tutorial, so maybe you guys would like to see how I created this look. I will be uploading the video after this one, so you guys stay tuned for the video. I really like how this makeup turned out, so stay tuned. Let's see how all of my makeup like instantly. Can you guys see? Let's remove here. Wow, that's really nice actually. Alright, I want to continue removing this whole makeup, and that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video.